How to perform bulk signing. Log into your account at my.signingcloud.com. Under the Quick Access tab on the right of the page, select Bulk Sign. You may directly click on Sign All, or you may individually select the documents that you wish to sign at the same time. Please note that this feature is limited to documents which require input fields such as signature, date and QR code only. Bulk signing will not be available in the event a signer is needed to add a seal, paging seal, company's name and text field. Once you've selected all the documents you wish to sign, click on Sign Selected. You will be prompted to choose an ID verification method. Select your preferred verification method and proceed. Kindly note that for SMS verification, you will need to activate your SMS notification on your phone to receive the notification. You will also need to purchase SMS credits. For non-SMS verification, you will receive your OTP and push notifications via the SigningCloud app. For this demo, we'd be choosing the OTP method. For this method, you'll need to open your SigningCloud app, where you'll see the OTP button on the homepage. Once you click on it, you'll be able to obtain the 6-digit code. Key in your OTP code and click Verify. Once your verification process is complete, you will be directed back to the Documents page, which will display any pending documents that need signing. If you have selected all to be signed in bulk, there should be no documents displayed. And that's it, you're done. You may check the status of your documents on the home page, or under the Documents tab, on the right-hand side of the home page.
SigningCloud. Sign with confidence.